So turnover laban sa Alaska. Not the best way to start the fourth and final quarter. Here's Simon. Tulanete. So both imports are on the bench to start things off in the fourth quarter. As Villanueva will score.
Maganda dito, itong Pure Foods napapanatili nila yung kalamangan nila even with the 1-2 punch. James Shep and Kerr Berimundo riding the bench.
For the Alaska Aces. The shot for Rico Villanueva.
Si L.A. Tenorio tinawagan ng foul. His second personal.
Sablay naman yung bonus free throw nitong si Rico Villanueva.
Alaska looking for its first field goal of the fourth quarter. Here's Ferreon against Salvador. And now De La Cruz for three. Tepin is good for Hugnata. Or rather, Kinyahan.
Yeah, Kinyahan ang first field goal niya dito sa ating ball game. Baby Shack.
Nice dive by De La Cruz.